here's the road leading up to the waterfall. There's a little parking area here. I'm the only one here. And actually hit some sunlight. We're right up near the top of the mountain. So there's actually a little bit of sun before it comes down. I'm obviously getting here way too late. But I saw a sign on a tree down here, so I think this is the right spot. And you can kind of hear water. So I do believe this is the trail right by the parking area. I see 2 lines on a tree and an H. Some pretty nice views. That's the mountain between the water. You can kind of hear the water down there, but great, clean, nice trail. Alright, well, I can kind of see water way down there, but this trail is pretty rough. Very steep. I don't even really get the magnitude of it, but definitely a lot of muddy areas too. Fallen a couple times. It's one of the harder trails I've been down, but you work your way down slowly. Whew, definitely tough to get to. Gotta hold on to the vine and get down here. But looks pretty beautiful down there. This wood does not feel stable at all. Nice little waterfall. Same goes for the trail here. See, it's got a nice little waterfall going along the trail. Makes it more fun. These rocks are really tough to go down. I mean, it's pretty much everything's got running water going over it. But this is still beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's explore on down. All right. Gonna go on and explore further down there. Alright, so after the little bridge here, found a nice little bench just out in the woods. So this looks like a good spot. Set up, have some lunch, some fresh bread, ham, puchu, whatever that is, and a beer. And then we'll go down and explore it a little further. Alright, well, just had a little lunch and had a little accident. Drink fell right into my backpack and destroyed my flashlight, my battery charger, everything. It's starting to get a bit dark here, so I'm going to go down the trail here for about 10 more minutes and then turn around and come back. Because I got no light or anything, but I think I can make it back. I mean, these things happen. So we're going down a nice little bridge here, and we'll see what's down there. Get it down here, and wow, look at this. You got this little waterfall down there. It's Some beautiful trails, it looks like. Guess I'll continue on for 5 minutes. As we're going down, it's just walking down these 2 logs. Alright, so made it down here. Guess it kind of keeps going. Trail goes down a little further down, but I guess there's bears here. Is that a bear? I don't know what the heck that is. Medveda. Yeah, it's supposed to be a bear, I guess. I don't know, it looks kind of, I don't know what that is. Kind of looks like a pig. Some other little critters around here too. Well, still just going down by the water. Some more of the trail here, but it is getting pretty dark. So I guess that's the end of the trip for me. I'm gonna turn around and head back. Looks like it keeps going. It's beautiful. Should have came here earlier. Should have, I guess, brought another flashlight. But yeah, definitely a beautiful spot. Definitely want to come back here, check this out again. I'm in a little clearing right now, but until once it gets dark, it's going to be pretty pitch black in the woods here. Oh yeah, it's a bit of a hike back. And it's dark. Still love it. Definitely lost, because I thought I was losing my way, and then started coming back, and I saw this sign here, which I definitely didn't see. I think I would have noticed a bird in a pot. So gonna head back and go back. There should be a trail up to the right somewhere, but no big deal. Just stay calm, and I mean, it's really not a big deal. That's kind of the biggest thing, is just kind of keep your head cool. You never freak out. You never really worry, because the truth is there's nothing to worry about. You know, I'm going to make it back. I'll find a way. And if not, I mean, I have a lighter. I can start a fire, and I can hang out till the morning and then head back. But I don't think it's going to happen. Just got to find... I wasn't using the light just to conserve energy. This thing started working again, the light on it, so. But there's a trail up to the right here somewhere. I'll just take it back, and I'm pretty confident. Okay, solidly back on the trail here. Went through some mud pretty deep, but that's how I knew I was going back the right way, so. Awesome, good adventure. Gotta keep going up. But once you're on the trail, you're all good. I figure I got about 20 minutes left. Back at the bike. There's the road. I would call this one a success. Another fun adventure, beautiful water. That's all I asked for. All right, made it back. There's the bike. There's the road. Full tank of gas. I would call this a success. It's yeah, it's pretty dark out, but that was awesome. That was a great adventure. Love the waterfalls, love nature, love life. This was great.